Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to do unboxing the CliniqueiD, which I received from Clinique Malaysia, and it comes in a briefcase. It's huge, everybody, it's huge. So basically I got the full CliniqueiD inside this briefcase and I haven't opened it yet. There are 5 active concentrates and also 3 moisturizer base. So I want to do unboxing with you guys. Let's see what's inside. I don't know how to open this. We're gonna go through it one by one. Starts from the moisturizer base. Before we go through with the moisturizers, my skin type is combination skin type, which some parts are oily and some parts are quite dry. I want my skin to stay moisturized and also hydrated, so I'm quite picky when choosing moisturizer. I am very glad when I can customize my own moisturizer. So let's get through moisturizer first. I have 3 in my hands right now. I'm gonna start with this one first. For the second one, oil control gel. For the last one, this one, lightweight oil-free water jelly, 24-hour hydration repair plus pollution protection, all skin types. So next, we're gonna go through the cartridges. For the purple one, this one is for lines and also wrinkles. I think I might need this one later for my lines and also wrinkles, because you know we are getting old, not getting young. So now I want to show how I assemble the base and the cartridges. The first step is to pick the hydration base. I choose lightweight oil-free water jelly as my moisturizer base. The second step, you have to pick your cartridge. I picked the blue color for pores and also uneven skin tone. So what you have to do, open up your moisturizer base and pull this off just like that, super easy, and put it here. And now you can use it. Ooh. That's how you put the active concentrate and also moisturizer together. So guys, don't forget to find your custom blend CliniqueiD at a Clinique store or any Sephora outlet near you. I'll see you guys next time in the next video, inshallah. Bye bye.